Hey y'all, IrixGuy here, Chef IrixGuy, and this is how to grill a hot dog. So I've got my grill, and you can expand this video description, click the link there to find a grill like I use. But this will work with most any grill using a charcoal grill. So basically what you want to do is grab your wieners with some tongs and flip them periodically. So think about hot dogs. Most hot dogs that you'll buy in the store, and check the package, but most of them are probably pre-cooked. So what you're trying to do is make those hot dogs plump. Make those wieners plump. So you can flip them periodically. You don't want to, some people want a hot dog that's really burnt. A lot of people don't. So the solution to that is, flipping them periodically and looking at the tips of the wieners. Because as those tips of wieners start to kind of tighten up, you'll see it as they cook. Now we're going to fast forward a little bit. See, they've been cooking a little bit longer. You can see the wieners are a little bit bent. The coloration is a little bit different. And the tips of the wieners are starting to change. So you can kind of look at it. We're gonna look at this right here, and we're going to fast forward a bit. Now, see, now they're really starting to get done. You got a darker coloration. I've thrown my hot dog buns on the grill because I tell you, when you cook a hot dog, when you grill a hot dog, you want to serve that hot dog on a toasted bun. It just amps it up so much, man. It really does. Now I've taken my wieners off the grill. Look at that. That's the way I like them. Look at the tips of the wieners. See how they've kind of got the little ridges or whatever in them? In my opinion, that's a perfectly cooked wiener. And then right here, you've got your buns. Toasted buns, I must add. Look at that. You got that grill flavor, that charcoal flavor. You got it's not just a bun out of a pack. It's got a toasted type effect to it. Look at that. Oh, and then you dress your wieners. You get your hot dogs. You get your buns. You get your mustard, your ketchup, and relish if you like it. And there's so many other toppings you can put on top of your wiener. You can put whatever you want to on your wiener. Look at that. I love to cook. Hey y'all, Captain IrixGuy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/IrixGuy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.